Hello my crypto family, welcome back to the Crypto Show. Alright, remember guys, when a $2,000 investment in Ripple turned into over $200,000. History could be ready to repeat itself. The 2025 bull run is underway and one project under $1 might be the next big winner out there, namely Pepeto. Definitely guys, let's check it out. I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments. Investors are always searching for that next hidden gem. In this market, 4 coins under $1 are Pepeto, Shiba Inu, Pep, and Pong are generating the serious buzz. But let's be real right now, guys. Most of these meme coins already had their moments. Shiba Inu and Pep exploded years ago. Pong saw massive returns too. The real question is right now, what's left for new investors? Yes, the Pepeto. And Pepeto right now is still in its pre-sale, guys, and that means you're getting in at the lowest possible price, of course, if you want. It's only your decision, unlike the others that have already pumped. Pepeto is the only coin on this list of these 4 tokens that is right now still in its early phase, which gives it the highest potential for the future returns. So let's compare real utility, guys. Shiba Inu has a Shiba swap, and that gives it an edge over the Pong and a Pep. But that's where it stops right now. It stops over here at Pepeto, because right now Pepeto is the place right now where right now Pepeto is playing in another league. Right now Pepeto is launching its own centralized exchange. It's also right now built in a cross-chain bridge, and also right now advanced layer 2 Pepeto swap, faster and more efficient than a Shiba swap. Right now is the first ever meme coin to bring real DeFi infrastructure to the table, guys. Unlike others, I would say riding hypes out there, Pepeto actually builds something, builds real world utility, guys. And that's what separates right now a meme from that moment over here. So let's talk about some numbers right now, yes. Right now, we have one more time the Shiba, Pep, and a Pong, already at the multi-billion-dollar market caps. They may 10x again, but not 100x. And Pepeto right now, as you can see over here on the right side, currently at just $0.60114, and also right now with the 420 trillion total supply, guys, same and just like in a Pep. If it matches right now Pep's price trajectory, $20,000 could turn into $2 million. Why? Because it's not just a meme, it offers right now, one more time, zero fee trading, cross-chain utility, and real infrastructure for a long-term use. If there is one meme coin that could repeat the Pep success, or even surpass it right now, it's Pepeto, the god of frogs out there. Also right now, Pepeto has a massive tokenomics over here made right now for a long-term growth, and also guys the massive roadmap where you can expect one time to create tools to create real utilities over here at Pepeto, something right now what separates Pepeto from another project. Also guys, the staking, guys, you can check it out where right now you can see over here the massive variables distributed here over the years or the months, and right now we can see that right now we can expect about 258% annual period, guys, by staking tokens over here. It's really incredible, I would say, and on that way you can see with your eyes what I'm talking about. For more information, guys, you can dive deeper on the white paper, and of course that way you can expand your knowledge about Pepeto right now. Alright, first of all, how to buy right Pepeto. First of all, guys, what you need to know, guys, right now that you're provided over here to how to buy on top of the website, where you can see the 3 simple steps. First of all, guys, need to mention that right now Pepeto is still early, still in the pre-sale. As you can see, you can buy it over here by creating your MetaMask wallet, or you can buy it also with your credit card. Namely, you can also, guys, install your Trust wallet. After that, you get a lot with the crypto and buy and stake Pepeto for some massive gains out there. When interested, guys, to you over here on the right side, you can see the app on the website, where right now you just need to connect over here to the wallet connect, MetaMask wallet, and Coinbase wallet. You can over here, guys, pick the asset that you want to buy with, for example, Ethereum, USDT, or you can buy it one more time with a credit card. BNB is also available. Over here, guys, you can just enter the amount that you want to buy. For example, you pick over here Ethereum, example 5, and on the right side you can see how many tokens of Pepeto you are going to receive really easily. I would say, as you can see, it's really clearly explained over here how to buy, guys, but if you're not sure, you can also click over here how to buy, or write me in the comment section down below. As you can see, guys, this isn't just another meme right now. This is your entry point, I would say, for anyone out there who wants to buy Pepeto, guys, before the listing hype takes over. But I need to repeat it, guys, It's only your decision, guys. I'm not your educational purposes, guys. Only I'm not your financial advisor. But I just want to tell you guys, and right now, this is the move before the wave hits over here. You can also follow them working on the socials, you can see in the top of the right corner, on the X, name it Twitter, for the biggest announcements, for the biggest news, famous giveaways. Also join the Telegram, I would say, over here, communication, namely, guys, Telegram interaction org with the great people, guys, and big edge with the community. Also for the visuals over here on the Instagram and on the YouTube, guys, for some great shorts over here and the story behind Pepeto right now. Alright, guys, to sum it and wrap it up. XRP, name Ripple, once made millionaires, guys. Now Pepeto could be the next. With DeFi tools, real cross-chain tech, and zero-fee trading, this isn't just a meme right now. It's the movement called Pepeto, guys. Definitely, guys, think about it. Your own niche, guys. It's only your decision, guys. It's only for educational purposes, guys. Video today. It's only your decision, guys. Remember that. That is your crypto show, guys. I'll link my description box down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.